Hello, I want to talk about today the difference between spontaneous feelings and stuck emotional patterns. So the Taoist view on feeling is very different to Western psychology, okay? So the fusion class, the emotional alchemy class I'm about to teach at the beginning of September it's very important to understand these distinctions, the difference between these two things. So fundamentally we have these emotional patterns that we've built up over many years. And what defines them is that they repeat and that they feel like something not spontaneous. Okay, so we have these repeating patterns that are not spontaneous. They're more things that are stuck in our past. And the important thing to understand about these emotional patterns is that they have a lot of life force trapped in them. And from the Taoist point of view, that is very, we could say ecologically, not very smart, because there's so much life force trapped in those patterns, okay? And so the emotional alchemy course I'm going to be teaching is specifically designed to dissolve those emotional patterns, okay? And the other aspect of the course is not only, that's one aspect, to dissolve these emotional patterns. The second most important thing is to open up to what the Taoists call the virtues, or what we call our soul qualities. These are qualities that are flowing in from the pre-birth level of ourselves. You know, this feeling of kindness flowing in, or love flowing in. These are all flowing in from the soul. They're flowing in from deeper dimensions, okay? But also we have to remember what's flowing also in from deeper dimensions are patterns, you know, ancestral patterns, for example, mummy and daddy patterns, and unconsciously grandfather and grandmother patterns that are flowing in as well. This is why it's so important to work with the emotional body, because the emotional body is probably very mysterious. It's also very fast moving. Probably many of you have noticed that the emotional body moves very quickly compared to the mental body and the physical body. The emotional body is very fast. It's very challenging to slow everything down and start to see these patterns for what they are. In this course that I'm going to be sharing, you know, we're going to be going deeply into that, so we can actually understand all of these different emotional patterns that we carry, you know. And we're going to break those patterns down, transform them back into life force, and then that life force, then we can become much more spontaneous and in the moment, which is the feeling that we want. We want our original feelings. What are our original feelings? The original feeling is coming in from the soul. It's that feeling that the soul had as it incarnates into physical form. So what are some of those feelings? Well, it's like awe, joy, excitement, a feeling of like potential. These are all the feelings that are flowing in. And if you've ever watched a very small baby, you'll see a lot of those qualities. Like they're just so fascinated with the simplest of things, right? That's a sign of our original feeling, that's there. You know, that original feeling is there. So I want to encourage all of you to, make the commitment and join the course. I think you'll get so much out of it. It's a spiritual technology that's been proven for over 5,000 years, and I've been refining that course over many years and making it better and better, and I'm really proud of that course. So I look forward to welcoming many of you onto that training. Thanks very much.